yesterday, was that the worst?
Yeah, the
Because
worst.
it's really heavy rain. Okay.
It was worst time
Then before.
because
Yeah.
all the water
All wet.
pulling all over
Ah,
here,
I see, okay.
and then going down to my
That's
father's
true.
room.
Oh God.
It was like horrible.
Yeah, I know. We have lots and lots of water. All right, I will get my ladder. We'll have a look. Now, sometimes on a corrugated roof, you can get away with a 3-degree pitch. Not often though, because when it rains really hard, then you'll see the leaks come in, like in this case. Now, if there wasn't a valley on this roof, the roofers might have gotten away with it. But the valley compounds the problem with a 3-degree pitch corrugated roof, because the valley becomes quite flat. Now, if we take the roof off and have a good look under the valley, you see that the valley has been held down with nail hooks, and the hooks hold the lip of the valley down so that it can overflow fairly easily when you have really heavy rain, because this valley brings a lot of water down because it's a big roof and it's all concentrated at or near the exit point. So you get an overflow problem. And as you can see, the insulation is wet and the valley board is also wet. Now, if you unclip the nails, the valley will naturally spring up, and that's actually good for the valley because the valley has to be raised on the edge. Now, permanently, we had to put a bit of timber under the lip of the valley, and that would pack it up about 20 to 25 mil. This is enough to lift the lip of the valley up so we don't get the overflow problem. We've also got some minor leaking coming through the laps. As you can see, the underlap is all dirty, meaning that water's pulled up by capillary action and it's overflowing into the roof cavity. So before we put the roof sheets back, we use our folders and actually deliberately distort the underlap so that we've got more capacity against capillary action and water overflowing the lap into the cavity. Now, once this is all done, we put the roof back, and you'll notice that there is a kink at the edge of the roof. We need the edge of the valley to be raised, and as a result, the roof kinks up slightly. So it doesn't look the best, but it's functional. So to get away with a 3-degree pitch with a large valley in it, this is what we had to do.